If you've been locked out of your Apple ID and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process of resetting your Apple ID credentials effectively. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the official Apple ID account page by entering apple.apple.com in your web browser. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and reset your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the login page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will direct you to the recovery options available for your account. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address in the provided field. If you don't remember your Apple ID, you can click on the option to look it up using your personal information. Step 4. Choose recovery method. Select how you want to reset your password. You may have options such as answering security questions, receiving an email, or using two-factor authentication if it's enabled on your account. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions based on the recovery method you selected. This may involve answering security questions, checking your email for a reset link, or entering a verification code sent to your trusted device. Once you have successfully reset your login credentials, you should be able to access your Apple ID again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.